Let me tell you a secret. Do you know how fleet vehicle companies reduce their repair costs? One of the ways is by using the Protection Plus wheel hub bearings that last twice as long as regular hubs, but only pay 40% more. Also, our Protection Plus hub is surface treated to prevent the buildup of rust and corrosion between the contact area of the rotor and hub, thereby decreasing the rotor being rusted on or stuck onto the hub when you're replacing your rotor. That's not all. It also has premium quad lip seal design, as you see right here, for maximum protection from dirt and water intrusion, which protects the internal rolling elements, and it has an upgraded abrasion resistant ABS cord, as you see right here. That's why it has higher strength and longevity, and that's how fleet companies save money, and so can you by clicking on this link.